Hello bachcho, let us read the question. Scientists are working hard to develop nuclear fusion reactor. Nuclei of heavy hydrogen 1H2 known as deuteron and denoted by D can be thought of as a candidate for fusion reactor. The DD reaction is 1H2 plus 1H2 giving 2He3 plus N plus energy, neutron plus energy. In the core of fusion reactor, a gas of heavy hydrogen is fully ionized into deuteron nuclei and electrons. This collection of 1H2 nuclei and electrons is known as plasma. The nuclei move randomly in the reactor core and occasionally come close enough for nuclear fusion to take place. Usually, the temperatures in the reactor core are too high and no material wall can be used to confine the plasma. Special techniques are used which confine the plasma for a time t0 before the particles fly away from the core. If n is the density, that is number by volume of deuterons, the product n t0 is called Lawson number. In one of the criteria, a reactor is termed successful if Lawson number is greater than 5 into 10 power 14 second per centimeter cube. It may be helpful to use the following. Boltzmann constant K is equal to 8.6 into 10 power minus 5 electron volt per Kelvin. E squared by 4 pi epsilon naught electron volt meter is equal to 1.44 into 10 to the power of minus 9 electron volt meter. Results of calculations for 4 different designs of a fusion reactor using DD reaction are given below. Which of these is most promising based on Lawson criterion? तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है Lawson criterion. The Lawson criterion is essentially the product of number density of the plasma and the confinement time. तो ये Lawson number जो है, it essentially compares the rate of energy generated to the rate of loss, energy loss, to the energy loss by the reactor. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले जो डिटेल्स क्वेश्चन में दिए हैं उसको नोट करके हम ये लॉसन नंबर कैलकुलेट करेंगे, उससे हम करेक्ट ऑप्शन को मार्क करेंगे. तो हम क्योंकि 4 डिजाइंस दिए हैं, हम 4 कॉलम्स बनाएंगे. तो पहले में n का वैल्यू दिए है 2 into 10 to the power of 12. दिस इज द नंबर डेंसिटी. और कन्फाइनमेंट टाइम का वैल्यू दिए है 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 seconds. ये है पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. तो n into t नॉट का वैल्यू है 2 into 10 to the power of 12 into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. और इसका वैल्यू आएगा 10 into 10 to the power of 9 which is equal to 10 to the power of 10, जो कि बहुत ही कम है for the Lawson number criterion of 5 into 10 to the power of 14. This is second per centimeter cube. तो ये अच्छा रिएक्टर का कोई साइंस नहीं दे रहा है. अगले है for a design of n equal to 8 into 10 to the power of 14 and confinement time का value है 9 into 10 to the power of -1 seconds. तो ये है per centimeter cube n का value. So if we multiply n into t naught, इसका value आएगा 8 into 10 to the power of 14 into 9 into 10 to the power of -1. So we get 72 into 10 to the power of 13 second per centimeter cube, or we can write this as 7.2 into 10 to the power of 14 second per centimeter cube. और ये definitely greater है for the Lawson number criterion, which is 5 into 10 to the power of 14 second per centimeter cube. Next देखेंगे for a design which has number density 4 into 10 to the power of 23 per centimeter cube और t naught का value है 1 into 10 to the power of -11. तो n t naught होगा 4 into 10 to the power 23 into 1 into 10 to the power of -11. इसका वैल्यू आएगा 4 into 10 to the power of -12, which is less than 5 into 10 to the power 14 second per centimeter cube. तो ये भी एक अच्छा डिज़ाइन नहीं है. लास्ट डिज़ाइन है n is equal to 1 into 10 to the power 24 per centimeter cube और t naught का वैल्यू दिए है 4 into 10 to the power of -12 seconds. तो n t naught का वैल्यू अभी आएगा 1 into 10 to the power of 24 into 4 into 10 to the power of -12, which will come out to be 4 into 10 to the power of 12 second per centimeter cube, which is also much lower than the Lawson number criterion. तो हम ये देख रहे हैं कि this is a successful design for a nuclear fusion reactor. तो अभी हम क्वेश्चन पे जाके करेक्ट ऑप्शन मार्क करेंगे. Which of these is most promising based on Lawson number criterion? The correct answer to this question is option B, where deuteron density is 8 into 10 power 14 per centimeter cube and confinement time is 9 into 10 to the power of -1 second. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.